Oh my God, look right there. No way, what is that?
Look, I'm all geared up and ready to go.
No way! You look incredible!
Wow, look at these amazing machines! I want to try the purple one. Wow.
Rumi goes first. Rumi, give me 3 coins to exchange for an outfit. Myra, you too.
Drop the coins into the machine one by one. Start the machine and wait a moment. Let's see what we got. It's a purple mermaid Amazing. Outfit. Next up, Myra. Do the same thing we did for Rumi. How exciting! It's a pink mermaid outfit. Now let's change Rumi and Myra into their new outfits. Time for the transformation. Wow, so beautiful. Now follow me. Oh no, Rumi and Myra's hands don't look good. We need to help them. Let's remove the seaweed stuck on their hands. Wait a second, I have a little surprise for you both. Wow, that's adorable.
Wow!
Here's a seahorse hand cream. Myra, wait just a moment. Now it's Rumi's turn. Rumi's hands need a little cleaning. Add a bit of this solution. Massage gently. Now wipe your hands clean. Okay, let's go back to Myra and see the change. Wait, what happened to Rumi's hand? It looks like she's hurt. I've already bandaged your wound, Rumi. Now let's give Myra a brand new manicure. Trim off the damaged nails. Now it's Rumi's turn. Let's gently buff the nails. Time to use this nail file. We'll go step by step from Myra to Rumi.
Yay!
Now for the most exciting part. We're giving each of them a brand new nail color. I'll choose this shade for Rumi. And this color is for Myra. And we're done. How would you rate this transformation? Let me know in the comments.